Hello everyone. I'm very excited about the budget because I've just finished adding all the months, and as you can see I can navigate through the months, and the name changes, the balance changes. That is correct, and some things don't change as these buttons or tables, but the formulas and what needs to change changes. So if I just check in December, for example, so the link, it works, it keeps me in December. That's correct. I have to have the months separated from one another, because I don't want to, if I change something in January, to change it automatically in December. No, that's not correct. Okay, so the months are ready. Good. One more tab we need to create is the overview tab. I just started it, and here we will have some graphs, some charts that will include information about our expenses, income. It will show us the yearly overview and our expenses behavior, and we can do all kinds of analysis over here. And I'll start with one chart, and for this chart we need a database, and for this database I just included the months equaled the expenses categories from the list. So control left bracket, okay. And it's important to have these categories of expenses in the same order as you have them in the months, the months over here, because I equaled all these are equaled, so control left bracket, are equal to the totals per each category, so they have to match the category. Okay, and first thing I did, I just included for January, locked the cells, and then selected everything and dragged it all the way to the end. And after that I replaced the form in the formulas, so with Control H I replaced this with December, replace all, okay, and this with November, and all the others with the correct name. So just to check, this gets me to December for vacation, so it's good. Okay, one more thing I want to do is to include here a 1 and I'll show you why in the next video, but for the moment I'll equal this, and here I will include the categories again, drag it all the way down. Okay, another one. Okay, and now I'll use formula VLOOKUP to select only one column from this table. So I'll look up this value from this array, lock this F4, and I'll choose so VLOOKUP starts from the first column and gives you the equivalent from the column you want. So I could choose here 2 to give me January, so this is 0, and this, if I change it to the right format, let me make it date first, and then make it okay, so it gives me January, but I don't want to have to write here 2, because I will need to change this automatically, and I will do one more thing. I'll equal this for the column, so this is now the first column, but I'll add one more. First I want to lock this, I'll add 1, so if now it's 1, gives me January, so it's the first column after the first column. Okay, so if I change here to 2, gives me February, which is the second month. If I write here 12, gives me December, the 12th month. Okay, and over here just drag this, but what it doesn't give me the correct amount, because I have to select the table just from here. Okay, and again gives me the values from the first column. So this is 23, 20, and yeah, look, 4 should be, no, it's correct. Let's see, it shows me August as well. Let's see why. What's the problem if I change this? Oh, maybe because this is, yeah, okay, yeah, it was the format. The problem was the format. Okay, and let's drag it all the way down, and I have the month of January. And to check this, let me just mess with the formulas in here. I will undo it afterwards. This is just to check. So for July, if I press this 7, I have this is an error here, but here I have the correct amounts. But here, let me see, why do I have an error? Why is that? Oh yeah, I should have replaced this here. Okay, so you only play with this, just with this number, and you'll see that this number will help you do work with this database. So follow me in the next video, where we will start building the chart that uses this database. Okay, thanks, and see you later.